Hi, I am Babita. I am Flutter developer and I am member of TechPowerGirls. Today I am going to explain about properties of ListTile widget. Now, ListTile is a single fixed height row that typically contains some text as well as a leading or trailing icon. Now, ListTile is almost similar to list view, but in ListTile, Flutter provides unique properties. Here we can see if we want this type of design, then we have to add some row, column, container. It will be too complicated. Flutter provides list style. Now we can see how we can achieve this type of design with list style. These all are the properties of list style widget. Now I am going to explain each and every property. Here in this file, I have already taken some images in asset.image folder, and I define that image path here in added path in pubspecs.yaml file. Now we are going to come over main.dat file. Here I already created one stateless widget class, ListTile widget class, and that will return a scaffold. Inside the scaffold, I have taken app bar and body. App bar has defined some title, and it will take a text widget. Now, here is and body has taken one column, and now I'm going to take some listed. Listed first properties is title. Title is nothing but first line of the listed widget, first line of text, and it will take text as a value. Now subtitle. Subtitle is also a second line of text below the title, and it will also take text as a value. Now over here, title and subtitle. Now I am going to take is three line. Is three line will take boolean value. It will, if we give true, then we can add third line. It, this is the property for adding a third line. Now I'm going to add here third line. Look over here. Now fourth property is dense. Dense will take also boolean value. Dense is dense parameter makes smaller and pack everything together. Look here, it will pack and smaller. By default, it is false. Now enable. Next property is enable. Enable is specified whether the user can interact with the list style or not. By default, it is true. If we give false, then we user can't interact with the list style. So we have to do true. True. Now next properties is leading. Leading will take, it is a properties. It will also always come before the title, and it will take image or icon. I'm going to give circular avatar. It's not circular avatar. Yeah, now it's come. And background image, assets your image. And I'm going to give the path ESTSSR images slash, going to take, control. Now look, it will come before the, okay. Now it's come over here. Yeah. After that, trailing. Trailing is, it is an attribute that takes image or icon as its value, and trailing place an image or icon at the end of the list style. So I'm going to give icon dot, look, it's come here. After that, content padding. Content padding is nothing but it will give the space from each side. Look, it will give a space from all sides. After that, selected. If we give selected is a true, so true, then it will give the primary color of the primary theme color of the this list style text. Like after that, on long press will fire when we press the list tile on for long time. Now you can see if we press for long time, then here long press is fired, on long press is fired. Now on tap, on tap, on tap is similar to on long press, but difference is that when we are tapping on the list tile, it will fire. on tap is fire. If we press for long time, then long press is fire. If we tap, then tap is fire. Now that's it. Thank you.